Magoha amesisitiza kwamba ni lazima wanafunzi wanaodaiwa karo ya shule walipe ndipo waendelee na masomo yao. Hata hivyo, Magoha amewaonya wakuu wa shule dhidi ya kutumia fursa hiyo na kuitisha fedha za ziada kutoka kwa wazazi. Akizungumza katika taasisi ya kukuza mitaala nchini KICD, waziri huyo wa elimu alitoa wito kwa walimu wakuu kutowafukuza wanafunzi kutoka familia maskini.
I want to clarify one thing. I chair a secondary school called St. Mary's Yala. And I know for sure that the majority of people who are defaulting school fees for that school can afford to pay. There are few students, maybe less than 10%, who must not be touched because they come from very indigent homes. So those who can afford to pay must pay. They have to pay. All these politics, you forget about it. And I said you pay the fee balances. Any teacher who is doing an additional levy, treat that as a criminal act. If you find a child sent home for an additional levy, that is now between the teacher and the law. Boarding schools, which are 25% of all schools in the country, they also benefit from free secondary education. So the 22,500 is paid for every child. All that the child pays for is for the food and maintenance of the boarding houses. Can you imagine a situation where the few who are paying for other people's children who can afford? The government can cushion those few who are very poor.
Suala la urithi wa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta katika eneo la Mlima